As per our experience in working under Baala project, it is very much important for deprived rural women with regard to the current health issue due to menstrual hygiene. The women in rural Odisha are unaware on the issue and use unhygienic clothes during their periods. This project Bala is very much essential for rural and tribal women to eradicate the health issue relating to menstrual health and hygiene. The project not support the sanitary pads but also create awareness and impact the community women and adolescents where we work. The sanitary reusable and eco-friendly pads have a wide demand in the rural and tribal area of Odisha. It helps the women in economic health and hygiene point of view. Our strategy is to mobilize the rural and tribal women and together them into a common place and conduct an 1 hour workshop on menstrual health and hygiene. We distribute the reusable sanitary pads after a keen awareness among them on how to use. Local health workers, PRI members and other resource persons also invited to the program for more effective in the community. Thanks Swasti Seva Sangathan Odisha.